Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to a page in WordPress. There is also a link in the description to get started with a free account. So let's get started. Now after you have logged into your WordPress as an admin, make sure to visit your website. After visiting the website, we're going to choose a page where we are going to link another page. So I'm going to go to sample page. And now I'm going to create another section here in the sample page. So we're going to click on edit page. And after that, we're going to scroll down and then we're going to type here. So we have written a text. Now we are going to select a text that we want to add as a link. So we are going to select this contact us part and then we're going to click on link. After that, we are going to type down the page that we want to link. So I've typed contact. And since I have a contact us page, that page pops up right over here. Now I'm going to select that page and then I'm going to save the page. Alright, the page has been updated. Now let's view the page. Alright, so here is our sample page and here is the text that I have linked the contact us page to. So I'm going to click on contact us and as you can see, it is taking me to the contact us page. So that is how you can link a page in WordPress. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.